Okay, we're going to do a kind of a lumberjack looking guy today. We're going to start with the glasses. So you do a straight line across here. Okay, and then you're in the middle of that, you're going to go on each side, you're going to do kind of a V downwards and leave a little space and then a V downwards. Okay, and then across and then back up to the glasses. I'll try to not get my hand in the way. Okay, there's the glasses. You can make them nice and thick later. Okay, then the nose is going to come on this side of the glasses. It's going to go down like this. And then you're going to go out like this. And then in, and then around for the nostril. Nice big nose, okay? Then you're going to go up from the glasses like this. You're going to go flick. And this one longer flick, because we want him to look kind of mad. He's mad at something. Okay, so here, on this side of the glass, we're going to go up. Do a nice mad eyebrow. Make it nice and thick, because it's way more expressive that way. Good. Okay, now we're going to do a circle. Let's darken these glasses. Nice thick dark frames. Let's go over that a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to do my eyeball, touching the top of the rim of the glass, kind of in the middle. And then I'm going to have him looking off this way. I'm going to give him a little bag under his eye. Okay, so I'll do the other one. Try not to be in the way. I'm going to give him thicker glasses on this side. There you go. And I'm going to do an eyeball, touching the top again. And looking the same way. Good, and then the bag on this side. Flick, like that. Okay, and his eyebrow is going to stay not too big, but just kind of under the glasses. Okay, now we have a nice expressive sneer. We're going to do the mustache. It's pretty easy. We're going to go under the nose, and you're going to go down and down. Make it kind of a triangle shape. And then from the tip of the nose out to the end of your mustache. Make this a bit longer. Out. You can make it curve if you want. Make it really fun. Okay, now the teeth, he's kind of making a face. So we're going to do a line outwards and outwards, and then kind of make it curve just a little bit. And same line here. Find the center of the nose, straight down, and then the next two. That keeps it a nice even smile, or not smile in this case. You're going to go next to his eyebrow, and you're going to curve out and straight down, and then into the mustache. Same thing with this side. Try not to get in the way too much. Okay, ready? On that side of the glasses, and then hit the mustache. Okay, so that's the side of the face and the start of the beard, and then let's go straight down here and straight down here. Okay, good. Now these are going to kind of go in. This is his hairline. Straight in like that. Just follow along, in, up, and up like that. Now, the hair is his fun part, okay? So, straight across like that. And his hair has a big poof, so watch this. Start here, go big, and then touching back to, oops. Touching back to this part of the hair. And then you want to put some little flick marks to make it look like the direction of the hair. So, flick, flick. And then they're going to get longer and flatter. Like that. Okay, maybe one more. Looks kind of right there. Okay, nice. Now let's finish the ears. Put the arms of the glasses out to the edges of the head, like that. And then you're going to do a big ear and the inside of the ear. Big ear. Oh, I guess it's not a big ear. There we go. Now we have some ears. Now we just need a nice big beard. You can make beards all kinds of fun shapes. This one's going to be big and round like a lumberjack beard. Like that. And then, oops. Oops, good. Okay. And same thing, we're going to add a little bit of hairlines to the mustache. Just flick marks. Flick, flick, flick. You always do it the way that it's growing. And then a few on the beard. Nice big beard. Okay. Does it look like someone you know? Okay, and we don't want a floating head, so let's give him some shoulders. His chin would be here, so his neck is about here, so his shoulders will come out here, these big shoulders. Oops, here, sorry. Nice big shoulder. Let's zoom out a bit, sorry. And then I'm going to give him a bit of a collar. Here. And then a straight line down. Maybe some buttons. There we go. We might as well just keep on here. Let's do the edges of the shirt. There we go. My paper's moving, sorry. There. You can decorate him, make him staring at something. You have steam coming out of his ears. There's so much you can do with this guy. It's really fun. Okay, have fun. Bye.